What's your name? Okay, your name. What's your name? What's your name? Uh, Paul. Paul Smith. Okay, and what is your address? 325. What? 325 Park Street. Good. And what is your phone number? 543-2100. 543-1200? No. 543-2100. Okay. Now, what is your job? I'm a thief. You are a thief? Okay, next. Oh, excuse me. Oh no, excuse me. Are you a secretary here? Yes, I am. Oh, I'm a policeman. What's your name? My name is Layla. What's your name? My name is Luis. Layla, could I have your phone number? Sure, it's 432. Oh, excuse me, Luis. Goodbye, Layla. Unit 2. Hello. Hi, Peter. This is Paul. Paul? Paul Smith. Yeah, it's me, Paul. How are you, Paul? I'm fine, thanks. Well, no, I'm not fine. Paul, where are you? Well, Peter, I'm in jail. In jail? Yes, in jail. Where is the jail? It's here in New York, on the River Road. What is the address? I don't know. Oh, wait a minute. Hey, what's the address here? It's 749 River Road. Peter, yeah, it's 749 River Road. And what's the telephone number? Phone number? Wait a minute. Hey, and what's the phone number here? It's 632-5401. Peter, the number is 632-5401, okay? 632-5401. Yeah, that's right. Okay, bye, Paul. Wait a minute. Hey, Peter. You've got to help me. Please, come here now. I can't. I'm busy. Busy? What are you doing? I'm swimming. Bye, Paul. Unit 3. How expensive is France? Layla, I'm so happy. Why are you so happy? I'm going to France tomorrow. France? How are you going there? I'm going by plane. Oh, that's so exciting. How long will you stay? I'll stay in France for 2 weeks. Wow, that's a long time. I'm so happy. How expensive is France? How expensive? I don't know. Why? I think it's quite expensive in France. Really? How much is your hotel? Well, I'm not sure. How far is your hotel from Paris? I don't know how far it is from Paris. How much is the train? Oi, Layla, I don't know. And the taxis? How expensive are the taxis? Taxis? I'm not. And the food? How expensive is the food? Oh, I just don't know. Oh, Layla, I'm so sad. Unit 4. How long? How long am I going to be here? A long time. How long? I really don't know. Can you check for me, please? Okay, yeah. How long is this going to take? Not long, just a minute. How long? Just a minute. Oh, hey, I found it. Good, good. So how long am I gonna be in here? I don't know. What's that? It's my comic book. I lost it last week. Hello? I'm here to see my friend. How long will you stay? I don't know. How long? A few minutes. Okay, go in. Unit 6. Can I borrow a pen? Laura. Yes? Could I borrow a pen, please? Sure, here you are. Thanks. Don't mention it. Oh, Laura. What? This pen has blue ink. Can I borrow a pen that has black ink? Of course. Here's a pen with black ink. Great. Sure. Oh, Laura. What is it? I don't have any stamps. Can I borrow a stamp, Laura? Sure, Emily. Here you are. Thank you so much. Well, I'm going to the post office. See you later. See you. Oh, it's raining. Yes, it is. I don't have an umbrella. Can I borrow your umbrella, Laura? Of course, Emily. Here you are. Great. Thank you. See you later. Yeah. Can I borrow a pen? Can I borrow a stamp? Can I borrow your umbrella? Oh, Emily, can I borrow your potato chips? Unit 1. What are you doing tomorrow? Hi, Kane. This is Paul. Hi, Paul. What are you doing? Nothing. What are you doing? Oh, I'm just watching TV. What are you doing tomorrow? Well, tomorrow I'm going fishing. Fishing? Where are you going fishing? I'm going fishing at a big lake. What are you doing tomorrow afternoon? After fishing, I'm going to my mother's house. What are you going to do at your mother's house? I'm going to paint my mother's house. What about tomorrow evening? What are you doing tomorrow evening? Tomorrow evening, I'm going to a party. Where's the party? The party's at David's house. Tom's house? Yeah. Oh. Hey, Paul, what are you doing tomorrow? Nothing. I never do anything. I'm so bored. Well, I have to go, Paul. Sure, Kane. See you. Have fun. Bye. Unit 2. I've lost my luggage. Can you help me? I lost my luggage. You lost your luggage? Yes, I can't find it. Okay, what's your name? My name is Jenna Athera. How do you spell your last name? Athera, Athera. Mrs. Athera, may I see your ticket? Of course, here it is. Thank you. Okay, flight number is NW027, right? Yes, that's right. How many bags do you have? 2. And what size are they? One is very large and very heavy, and one is small. What color are they? Brown. And what are they made of? They're made of nylon. Nylon? Are they new? No, they're not new. They're about 5 years old. We'll check. Please wait here. Thank you very much. Unit 3. Miss Universe. Hey, what are you watching? I'm watching a Miss Universe contest. The Miss Universe contest? That's so stupid. No, it's not. I like it. Who's that? That is Miss Universe. Where is she from? She's from Australia. What city in Australia? She's from Sydney. What did she do? She's a fashion model. She looks so young. How old is she? She's 21 years old. A child! She may be young, but she's beautiful. Miss Universe is so stupid. Hello, Miss Universe. Oh, stupid. Unit 4. Do you have a pen? Guard! Hey, guard! Can you come here? What do you want? Do you have a pen? A pen? Oh, yes, I have a pen. Here. Thank you. No problem. Oh, and guard. Yes? Do you have any paper? Paper for writing a letter? Ah, yes, that's right. Yes, here's some. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Oh, guard! Do you have a dictionary? No, I don't have a dictionary. Well, do you know how to spell the word escape? Escape? Is it ESCAPE or ESKAPE? Oh, no. It's ESCAPE. ESCAPE. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Oh, excuse me. Oh, yes? Can I have some tea? Some tea? I'm sorry, we don't have any tea. Oh, do you have lemonade? Lemonade? No, we don't have any lemonade. Oh, no tea and no lemonade. Well, do you have orange juice?
Orange juice? No, we don't have any orange juice either.
You don't have any orange juice.
No, we don't. I'm very sorry.
I can't believe it. Do you have coffee?
Oh, no, I'm sorry. We don't have any coffee either.
Okay, no tea, no lemonade, no orange juice, and no coffee. What do you have?
We have water.
Water, I see. Okay, I'll have a glass of water then.
Okay, one water. Hey, here you go. One water.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, waiter,
Yes, what is it?
do you have any ice?
I'm sorry. We don't have any ice.
Okay, well, do you have a menu?
Um, no, we don't.
No menu?
No, I'm sorry.
Well, can you tell me what you do have here?
Sure, we have chicken soup, fried chicken, chicken sandwiches, and chicken on rice.
Do you have any noodles?
We don't have noodles. We have chicken soup, fried chicken, chicken sandwiches, and chicken on rice.
Okay, I see. Do you have any chicken curry?
We don't have any chicken curry. We have chicken soup, fried chicken, chicken sandwiches, and chicken on rice.
Okay, I'll have chicken soup.
Okay, chicken soup.
Yes, I like chicken soup. And could I have a napkin?
A napkin?
Yes.
Look, we are not a five-star restaurant. We don't have any napkins.
That's okay. I think I have one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am, your chicken soup.
Oh, thank you. You can put it here.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, waiter.
Yes?
Do you have a menu, please?
A menu?